Welcome to Genesis. Let's get started. Once the two units are powered on, the Genesis will begin its initial chilling process while the Prodigy fog generator begins its heat up process. Connect the Prodigy to the Genesis using the supplied DMX cable. Once linked, the Genesis takes over control of the system for streamlined operation. You can operate the Genesis by DMX or manually. If you're using DMX, here's a quick look at the channels and values. To operate manually, press the fog button on the Genesis. Here you will find two customizable presets. Low and slow creates light and delicate fog effects that glide across the ground, and stratosphere delivers high-density fog that quickly takes over a space. Manual mode is where creativity takes center stage. With complete control over fog output and fan speed, you have the freedom to shape a wide variety of effects. Use the arrow buttons for small, precise changes, or press the fog and fan buttons to enter exact values. Keep in mind that every space is different, and things like airflow and humidity can affect how your fog performs. Here's a few good places to start, and you can adjust the parameters as needed. To achieve a thin layer of fog that drifts smoothly across the ground, start with the fog output at 20% and the fan speed at 10%. For thick, slow-rolling clouds, start with the fog output at 50% and the fan at 10%. And for a fast-moving, high-intensity storm of low fog, start with the fog at 80% and the fan at 100%. And for greater flexibility in positioning and routing, the Genesis can be paired with an 8-inch ducting hose. During operation, the Genesis automatically drains condensation from the fog chamber, keeping your effects pristine and dry. Over time, the condensation reservoir will need to be emptied, and the quick disconnect fittings make it easy to remove, empty, and snap back into place. When you're ready to power down, press the power button in the bottom center of each machine screen. If possible, leave the power cable connected to the Genesis. This allows the condensation pump to continue running, maintaining optimal performance. And that's a wrap. You're ready to set the scene with the Genesis. If you have any questions along the way, reach out anytime. We're always happy to help.